This is my laundry room and where my 3 dogs eat. It's also the entrance from our garage, so we use it all the time. Even though the floor is cleaned at least twice a week, the grout makes it look so dirty. I decided to refresh my grout lines, but first I needed to scrub the floor. I used Mrs. Meyer's to wash the tile, and for the grout lines, I sprinkled on baking soda. I used a stiff grout brush and really scrubbed along the lines and then wiped everything clean. As you can see, even after I scrubbed the lines, they're still dingy. It's time to refresh. I found this fresh tone grout colorant at Lowe's and I knew that this would do the trick. I squeezed the colorant directly onto the grout line and using a small craft brush, I painted it onto the grout. If some of the colorant got onto the tile, I simply wiped it off. A little goes a long way, and the whole process only took me about half an hour. Wow, can you see the difference? It looks like new again. I had refreshed the grout in our bathroom about 2 years ago and it still looks great, so this will wear really well. After refreshing my grout, my shower door looked a little dingy and it was filled with soap scum. Here's how I gave it a chemical-free refresh. After pouring kosher salt onto half a grapefruit, I scrubbed the entire door. I rinsed the door with plain water and then dried with a soft cloth. Amazingly, the soap scum was gone. And not only did it clean the door, it left a wonderful citrus smell. I did the same process on the shower handles too. I hope this inspires you to give something in your home a fresh appearance.